this is the video of my room, okay? Let me just say first I have to pee. And I have a really small room. See, that would be my closet. And my scarf. Oh, there's my Obama scarf. And my shoes. And a chest. And a shelf and blah, blah, blah. And my bed, which is a mess. And my bedside table. And that's where Oreo sleeps when she's not sleeping in my bed. And you're texting me. And my dresser. And my wall. See, there's my wall. Ta-da. And my desk. Let's see what you said. You can't see it. Okay, well, let's do, I don't know. That's nice. Okay, anyway. I'm texting you back. Okay, and my desk, and my bookshelf with movies and, books. Yeah, right, okay. And the mirror and scarves and TV and purses. Look, there are your Ugg boots and your mom's purse and, oh, your little slippers. And I think that's all. That's my room, okay? Bye!